Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
And I'm
And
Christopher.
we're Grow For Me Gardening. Today we have some special guests.
I'm Tilda. I'm Kitty.
And we're gonna plant up some spring containers. And welcome to our Zone 5B/6A garden in upstate New York. Today we have some special guests. We have our nieces, we have Tilda and Kitty, and my sister is behind the camera, that is Jillian. And today we are refreshing our containers. So we have some cardinal red dogwoods, right?
Cardinal red.
And so these we're going to save to put back in the container in the fall. But these evergreens that were foraged earlier are going to be put back into the forest so that the insects and animals can use them as they like. So can I have Kitty and Tilda grab these?
Let's take the
Christopher and
big
I are
sticks
going to get
out.
the sticks out because we have gloves on and we don't want you to get them.
Take it.
Perfect. You keep those.
Make a pile right by your feet. All right. Good job. Let's get the other side.
What we're left with are our North Pole arborvitaes. The North Pole arborvitaes are going to stay here for now until we plant them out in the landscape.
So sunny outside.
I know, it's so nice out. Let's pull these back to the woods. Who wants to pull the cart? Do it. What we have here are some trellises that I purchased on Amazon. We can put a link in the description box, but they fold out or they unfurl.
Unfurl. I like
into
that.
This kind of really cool shape. And not that it's going to be holding anything up, but I wanted to put it in here to kind of play with it and see if it adds a little structure to all the floof, because all of the spring planting we're adding is going to be a little bit floofy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it'll be a nice, colorful floof.
So there's that one.
That looks great.
The North Pole's a little tall, but that's okay. Then we'll fill in around it, and then let's throw on the other one. Give it a go.
Jill, am I unfurled enough?
Looks really unfurled.
It looks great.
Sculptural element.
Sure does.
When he found these over the winter, we got really excited, and they've just been sitting in a flat box. So this is the first time we're seeing them too. They look even? I think they're good.
I think they look pretty good.
Thank you, Kitty. Have the beautiful. Wait, are these daffodils or tulips?
Yeah, I got 6 daffodil groupings and 6 tulips. Both are yellow because that's what they had.
Awesome.
From our local annuals place, Veloci's, which I love.
So what we have back here to pair with them are the 2 kinds of pansies that I've been growing from seed since the last week of January. And these babies, this is the Berna Blue Velvet, beautiful
really pretty.
color. And this is Celestial Blue. I love that. Look at the little yellow spot in the middle. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. And then you can't use a growy seed starting tray without having the Seedling Tongs. Wait until you see the roots on these things.
I hope they come out because the roots are going through the bottom.
They are really, really excited about today. So then we pulled them up. Look at
Wow.
the roots.
They're going to be so happy to be
Yeah.
in the soil.
Yeah, they're going to look fantastic.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
A grow question. When you plant them, do you break up the root a little bit so that it gets into the soil, or do you put it in just like that?
I think in this case, we're going to put them in just like that because these are all really fine little roots.
Okay.
So they're not going to be too bound. They're going to spread out.
So I think my plan for the bulbs is I have 6 of each. So I'm thinking like 3 tulips and 3 daffodils and kind of alternating going around like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's going to be beautiful.
So that will go here and kind of between the, what are those called? The rungs?
The rungs of the orb.
Okay, we can do that.
And then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what I was thinking is then we would do along the front edge, just all the pansies along the front edge.
I love that.
What do you think of that?
Kitty, does that sound good?
Yep.
Perfect.
All right, so first step is to start getting these in. So let me just show you how we're gonna do it.
Oh, do you want the heart-shaped trowel or do you want the regular trowel?
Heart shape.
Heart-shaped, Kitty's requesting. So if you don't want to use your hand, you can use that trowel. But what I'll just do is do the little like,
Where do I put it?
I'll show you.
Wait,
So I've got my and turn it upside down like this.
Squeeze. Whoa!
Look at all those roots.
Wait, so we just like dig a little bit like.
Will you hold that, please?
So we just like dig the dirt so they can fit in.
Yeah. And then they go here, and then you put the dirt back around them. Why don't you give it a try?
I'll hold this. Let's make the little hole. Perfect. There you go. Get right in there.
That good?
Almost. Can I have a turn?
Yeah.
The good thing about planting this time of year is you don't have to use fertilizer or anything because
Yeah.
it's not really going to do much in the way of growing. Let's see what these roots look like. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Wow. That's cool.
Just going to tuck this as tight as I can in there. Push that in. All this dirt that you already dug. That looks great. Now we just have to do it a whole bunch more times. Okay, so now we have these beautiful daffodils and tulips planted, and we have 72 pansy seedlings to do. We have 24 of the celestial blue, and we have 48 of the Berna blue velvet. I love this one. What do you think?
Yeah, I love both. I love this one, this one, this one.
Okay, all of them. So how do you want to do it, Eric? Do you want to do...
Should we just alternate? Should we?
We have
just...
we have double the amount of the blue velvet.
What about we take turns? Like we do 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1,
Yeah, we can alternate.
Let's alternate.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am going to take these out. So hand this to Uncle Eric.
Thank you. And
Tilda?
then Tilda.
Celestial blue.
This one's the best one.
There you go.
Love it.
Blue velvet.
Here.
Thank you.
Blue velvet.
Thank you.
I love this one. I love that one, then that one, and then that one.
Celestial.
May
Ooh, I
I
like
have
that.
some? May I have this?
You may. Oh, show your mom. Look at how beautifully that grew.
Which one are we on?
We're on a blue velvet.
Hallelujah.
Give this blue velvet back.
How long until the
Celestial
remaining
blue?
velvet's blue?
I bet
Within
you
days.
within days they're gonna be so happy
Thank
to
you.
be out of these little trays.
They're gonna spread their wings.
They sure are.
Wait, what
Blue
about
velvet?
this? I can pass it to Tilda and she can pass it to Uncle Eric.
Wonderful. It's a bucket brigade.
Thank you.
Oh.
Celestial blue.
Hallelujah.
It is Easter today, after all.
Thank you.
Blue velvet. Blue velvet.
Move to this side.
Which one's this? Which one's this?
Celestial.
Celestial.
You guys are very helpful.
Blue velvet.
Did you forget?
Should we do some around the back? Since we know we have enough?
Hello everybody, my name is Kitty and this is Tilda. We have our assistant right over there and he's gonna put some flowers and
Give us some flowers.
We have these little pots. We're gonna plant some flowers.
5 in each pot.
Plant some flowers and put them in there. And one looks like Uncle Eric and one looks like Chris.
Uncle Eric and Uncle Chris.
Yeah.
Okay. So which flowers do you need?
I want the purple, please.
I want
You want
celestial.
Purple, please. So I'm going to give you, Kitty, this is your purple to put your first one in.
Ooh.
And celestial blue.
Yep, dig a little hole. There you go. So just make your little hole and put it in. Wow. Expert. Expert.
Assistant, where's the blue?
Sorry, Gardener Kitty. Here is your blue. What would you like?
Purple.
Purple? I can
Yeah.
do that.
One purple. I think that will go in the middle.
That's going in the middle for you? Okay.
Because I like about gardening because I like the flowers. I like the flowers and like how they smell. And sometimes I help my family do gardening and I love helping my dad and my mom and Uncle Eric and Christopher. They're my family, so I would like to help them every day.
High five.
I'm almost done. Okay. I just need one more.
I
And
need
that's
one more.
There you go. Pop that in.
This is my last one.
Everybody, this is the final step. So we're going to water the plants, and here's my assistant. He's gonna water all the plants right now.
There's a lot of water.
Nice job. Yeah. It's still very heavy.
I
Look
did
at
it.
my pants though. These are fluffy pants.
So here we have the container all completed. We have our obelisk on top. Again, I think we can put a link in the description, right, Christopher? We have our North Pole arborvitae as the centerpiece. This is going to be moved along the property lines come later in the spring. We have daffodils and tulips alternating. And you may have noticed that I chose bulbs that were not blooming yet, because blooms on bulbs are one and done. So once they flower, you're not
They're
going to
over.
see them again. So this is like a nice buildup in anticipation of the flowers coming, and these are both yellow. And then the pansies are going to take off this week, I bet. And we packed it really full because in springtime, this is a temporary container that we're probably only going to keep until what, June maybe?
Yeah, max.
June at the most, and now it's April, May, so 2 full months, and this will be filled with pansy flowers. These will bloom beautifully. The foliage is pretty unto itself, and I just think it's a great refresh, brightening up for the front of the house for springtime. What
Yeah,
do you
it's
think,
going to be
Christopher?
so nice. And, I mean, how cute were the girls?
Yeah, they were really fun to work with. We're not used to working with them all the time, so I got distracted. I don't know about you, Christopher.
A little distracted.
But they're always adorable and super fun. They only come up maybe once or twice a year. But loved having them. And yeah, super excited to see how these fill in. Well, thank you so much for joining us today and planting our spring containers. Again, I'm Eric.
And I'm Christopher.
And we're Grow For Me Gardening.
Thanks for growing with us. All of us.
Bye.